We need to stop Hindu Holocaust by making this anti-Guru Hindu cult to understand the importance of Hindu Gurus, to keep the Hinduism alive and bring legitimacy to every aspect of Hinduism. Hinduism cannot be kept alive just by bringing political legitimacy. We need to bring spiritual legitimacy to Hinduism by demonstrating all the power manifestation sciences and studying them scientifically, systematically, doing researches and demonstrating it to the world, documenting it. I can prove the very aura of a stone becomes different after the deity, the cosmic being, is made to manifest in that. Not just energy level, even the weight, the mass of the deity. If a deity, stone deity, weighs 1 ton, once the prana pratishtha is done, the cosmic being starts manifesting in that deity, I guarantee the weight will be more than 1 ton. We need to study, document all this scientifically and demonstrate it. I am going to do it and I will do it. Already I have done this through power manifestation science. Now I will do it more systematically. Like this, each level, same way. When I am just living in my Sahaja Samadhi, my physical body weight is different. When I am in Bhava Samadhi Darshan of Kala Bhairava or Ganapati or Shiva, the weights are different. Not just physical appearance and size, even the mass, the weight is different. I'll document all this and prove, not only for me, even for my disciples who are initiated and manifesting these powers. And I'll also prove the reproducibility of what I am demonstrating. Already I have done tons of work in this line, established tons of things, and I'll establish tons more. These are the purpose of reviving Kailasa. Only if all these are done, and whatever is done is documented and demonstrated, shown to the world, and whatever need to be documented should be documented and demonstrated to the world more systematically, scientifically, the way they can understand as per the binary logic and maths. They will understand Hinduism is extraordinary, subtle, but definitive science. Maybe subjective, but definitive science. If you do the yogasanas on your own, the effect will be different. If you do the asanas along with that original mantra chanting, the effect will be higher. And if you do the same asanas along with the original mantra chanting and that mudra, the whole vinyasa krama revealed by an incarnation for the modern day human body, the effect will be something extraordinary. Hundreds of times more than ordinary yoga asana practice. All this I've already documented enough. Need to document more and display it to the world more. That's it. For all this, I need a peaceful place where I can do all this research and demonstrate it to the world. That is why I created this Kailasa. I humbly request all Hindus, if you are feeling connected to what I am saying, if you want to be part of what I am doing, please sign up. Either to be sympathizer, Kailasa Viswasi, or to be Kailasa Vasi, to be resident of Kailasa. You can sign up for both. You can even sign up for e-Kailasavasi at nityanandahinduuniversity.org/daily satsang. Whoever signs up, once we start opening different branches of Kailasa, we will start accommodating you, training you. We are going to be having separate male monastery, female monastery, Gurukul for children, and Grihasthas, Adhinams for householder community. So as per the Varna Ashrama Dharma, as per the Varnashana Ashrama, we are going to have multiple campuses dedicated for those purposes. Everything is evolving. So whoever is interested in what I am talking about, please sign up. Let us revive Sanatana Hindu Dharma. Let's revive Kailasa, the ancient, enlightened Hindu civilization. Kailasa is the ancient, enlightened Hindu civilization. Let's revive it. The essence of today's satsang. Let's revive Varnashrama Dharma. First Gurukul, then the Hindu kingdom system, Panchayati, we can call it as Panchayati kingdom system, and Varnashrama Dharma, and ultimately the large, beautiful joint family system. So all these four, first Gurukul system, second the Panchayati Rajya system, we can call it a Sundareshwara Rajya, Meenakshi Rajya, Meenakshi Sundareshwara Rajya system, Meenakshi Sundareshwara kingdom, Ramarajya, all these are one and the same. Meenakshi Sundareshwara Rajya system. And third, the Varnashrama Dharma. Fourth, the large joint family system. All the four.